Aircraft, kind of, sort of. Wow. Sometimes he glides a little bit, just tiny little bits.
So can you like go back into a still frame with that pretty good?
Yeah. I mean, it has photo. It has a photo mode for sure, and then you can grab a frame from the video.
It wouldn't be as high a resolution, but it's
Yeah.
decent.
Yeah. True that. Good point.
Is that it? Oh.
What we're on is not specifically a trail, although it is going towards where we're going. Like, there's a few more ravine-like things further down.
We weren't really hiking for that long, I guess.
No.
Like half an hour, maybe?
Yeah, probably.
It is pretty hot down here, though.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't think it's out of the 80s.
Just 90-ish. Probably high 80s. Yeah, you're probably right. Maybe only mid-80s.
I'm gonna guess 87.
Want to swinging by the lake?
This lake?
Yeah, that's what we're doing now. Oh yeah, the cracks, fissures with the quartz in it. It's not clear what that is, but I think in general it seems to be quartz that does that.
It's certainly very hard. It seems to be harder than this rock.
Hmm.